Hey guys, just want to make a quick video on my 2006 Chevy Avalanche 1500. So for the longest time, I've been having this clicking, popping sound whenever I turn the wheel. It doesn't necessarily happen when I'm driving straight, more when, like I said, whenever I'm turning the wheel. And I have thrown parts at this truck, suspension parts left and right, trying to figure out what the issue is or try to fix it, honestly. But I've never really been able to figure out what the issue is until I stumbled upon this website that pretty much gave me an indication to check out the Crossmember bolts. So let me show you guys real quick what that is. Okay, so this is the underside of my Avalanche. Let me turn on my flashlight. Okay, here's a better view. So this is the cross member that runs across right underneath the engine oil pan. So there's two bolts on each side, and literally just take them off, clean them up real good, and then torque them back down, and that fixed my clicking, popping issue that I was having. I've thrown control arms, upper control arms, ball joints. The only thing I have not changed is the lower control arm, but I did all new shocks. Pretty much everything that I thought suspension wise needed to change, I've changed, and that had not fixed the issue until now. So just as a tip, what I would advise, so that way you don't have to drop the entire cross member, just take off one bolt on each side and leave the other two bolts in. What you can do, you can get them loosened up. These are 18 millimeter, so I just got an 18 millimeter socket and then a ratchet wrench on the other side, and I broke it free with my impact. And what I did is for example, I just took off the bottom two, cleaned them up, put them back in, and then I proceeded with taking out the top two, and that's it. So I did a quick test drive, and that fixed the issues. So what I used to clean them up was literally just some brake cleaner. I have this wire brush right here. Try to clean up the threads on the bolts as good as possible. Spray some brake cleaner on the nuts, clean them up real good, and then put them back in. So that's it. Like I said, guys, hopefully that fixes your issue. I torqued them down to like 52 foot-pounds. I believe that's what that website said. And yeah, that's it. So now I'm able to cross off one of the issues that I've been trying to address for the longest time ever. All right, so that wraps it up for this video. If you guys are interested in any of these things here, this is what I plan on doing for to fix up my 06 Chevy Avalanche. Feel free to subscribe and stay tuned for these videos.